Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burger mushroom sauce step by step. Start by cleaning mushrooms and dicing onions to sauté evenly. Warm a skillet, melt butter with oil, and add onions until soft and translucent. Add mushrooms, increase heat to brown them, and season with salt and pepper. This builds deep flavor before deglazing the pan to create a silky base for your sauce. Sear mushrooms over medium-high heat until golden to concentrate flavor and remove excess moisture. Once browned, add minced garlic and herbs briefly, then deglaze with stock, wine, or a splash of cream to lift fond. Lower the heat and simmer gently until the sauce reduces and coats a spoon. Taste and adjust salt and acidity, then swirl in a pat of butter for gloss and roundness before serving. Customize the sauce easily by swapping liquids and aromatics to match your burger. For more umami, add soy sauce or Worcestershire. For creamy texture, stir in cream or creme fraiche at the end. Toss through chopped herbs for brightness and finish with a squeeze of lemon if the sauce tastes flat. Spoon the hot mushroom sauce over grilled patties and enjoy the contrast of hearty meat and silky, savory sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.